A flower's not a flower until the day you bloom. Let my friends still living life the day you made you. I hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do.